Hi lovely people, this is your boy Aquated DIY, and in today's video we are coming to assemble the Char-Broil charcoal and gas barbecue. It's a two combo where there is a gas section and a charcoal section, two function in one. So as you can see, this is how it looks like in the box, right? Okay, so we are coming to unbox it, bring everything out and start assembling it. So let's go. Just get your knife and just open the box, and you just need to bring everything out. It's not a one-man job actually, but it's a two-man job, so it should be two in total before you can be able to fix this Char-Broil charcoal and gas. Yeah, it's a dual combo, but in a one section. Yeah, as you can see, that's my guy Renard just helping me out to get it fixed. So we bring everything out one by one and make sure everything is out from the box. Every single thing is out from the box. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. The name is Aquated DIY. Please kindly subscribe and like the video, share the video, and just give me a comment. Yeah. So as you can see, everything is out from the box, and that's the top part, which is already assembled. Right, so the only thing which will be the main thing to do is the stand and the side burner and the side platform. That's what you need to. So let's get started. As you can see, these are the parts. Everything is there. So let's go. Let's start it. So first, that is a facing screw. Make sure it's inside there. If not, you are not going to be able to do anything. So that's the manual assembly guide, which will guide you step by step for you to be able to assemble this. Yeah, actually you can see the way I will do it, but the assembly guide will also protect you, guide you for less mess. Okay, so as the description shows, you need two people to be able to do this. So don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. The name is Aquated DIY. Give me some likes and comment below. Let me know where you are watching me from. So the most important thing is just go through the guide. When you bring everything out, just segregate everything and go through the guide before you start fixing, because actually this combo, the charcoal and gas, is a very complicated. When you are starting from the legs, it's very complicated. So if you are not careful and go through the manual, it will be a bit difficult for you, but I'm here to make things easier. So that's the gas instruction. After everything is done, how to fix the gas, how to place the gas, where to place the gas at the right side. So let's go. This is your boy Aquated DIY. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. And as you can see, this is the most important place. It's been numbered, right? So make sure the B and the LR are joined together, and the A and the LF is joined together. The same thing you need to do on the other side also. Make sure the B and the RF and the A the RF are the same side. As you can see, it's been done. Make sure this thing is being done properly, because if you mix one, everything is going to be turned upside down. So that's the most important thing. A and LF and B and LR. Okay, so if this is properly done, then you are good to go. This is the main thing. That's the main story about all this thing. If one is being mixed, hey, everything will be messed up. That's why I keep on repeating. So A and RR, also B and RF should be joined together. So just follow the alphabetical letters and just place it the same thing. So let's go. Step 1, we are going to join them together. As we fix it with a screw type A, just bring all the 10 pieces out, because that's the main thing you are going to use. So as the dial is showing, that's what we are going to do, and from there we are going to fix the side by side and the top holder. So that's it. The side by side is being fixed now. That's my helper, a very good guy, who always help me, because only me cannot do this. It's very easy. The moment the legs are being joined together, the side by side is very easy. So as you can see, we are fixing the top holder, and it's very easy. Kindly don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. This is your boy Akwe the DIY. Just give it some thumbs up and share the video. Don't forget, we are assembling the Char-Broil Gas2Coal into combo. So everything is done, which is the top base is being fixed, and the down base is being fixed. So the next thing we are going to do now is bring the top grailer on top of it. So let's go. As you can see, you just need to set it properly. Make sure it's being set properly, because it's supposed to go on the red base over there. Make sure it's being aligned properly. As we did it, it wasn't aligned properly, so you will see that I instructed my guy, it's not aligned, so we need to adjust it a little bit. So that's what we did. And make sure the gas pipe holder is out from the leg holder, so that it will align properly. So the next thing is for us to tackle it with the screw type A. Okay, the next thing for you to do is to tackle it with the screw type A. Then the next thing is the side burner. The side burner is being fixed easily, very easily. No stress, no hassle. As I told you, the griller already comes assembled. Okay, so the only thing you will do is you will place your gas spreader inside and the cast iron on top of it. So it's very simple. It's very simple. So that's the cast iron. Just place it. It's a three piece you just place it on top of it. And the next thing is we just fix the top storage where you can keep your cooked meat or your cooked pizza, your cooked chicken, whatever it is. This thing is very amazing. And as you know, don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. This is your boy Akwe the DIY. Kindly share the video, kindly comment and subscribe. Don't forget, it's Akwe the DIY, and everything is complete now. This is the Char-Broil Gas2Coal. It's a 2 combination where it gives you 2 options, either to use a gas or a charcoal. It's a 2 combination in case if you are grilling using the gas and you are short of gas, you can just switch to the charcoal side to continue whatever you are doing. Or if you are using the charcoal side and you run out of charcoal, you can, and you have a gas, you can just switch it by using a gas. And also you can do the 2 flavors. You can do charcoal and gas just to give you 2 flavors. Some people also choose to use the gas and just flavor it to get the natural feeling of grilling. So they will just smoke it with the charcoal to get the flavor. So it's a nice combo, and it's a very portable. That's the charcoal pan. In case if you want to use the charcoal pan, you just remove it from there, then you remove the cast iron, then you place it on top, then that's it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. This is your boy Akwe the DIY. See you in my next video. Thumbs up. God bless you. Bye.